All right, this is going to be a short video on setting up your Corel Draw, and this is mainly for people with laser engravers. I'm using X6, so most of the stuff will be the same. But let's say you've done something and you've changed it, and you've gone over here to color palettes and you press none and your color palettes went away, and you know, you could get those back. All you have to do is go to color palettes, default palettes, and they're back. But let's say you mess something up and you really can't get it back. All you have to do is close Corel Draw, hold down the F8 key, open it up. It'll ask you if you want to use the factory defaults. So here we have the factory defaults, and I'm going to go up here to new, and it's going to ask me my width. My width is 24, my height is 18. So now we got this, but our nudge factor changed. So just a couple of things. Just make this 0.001. Make this 0. And these are my preferences, but you might try them. You might like them. That should have been 0.001. Now we're going to change our drawing, our graphic. That's black, and it's a half of a point. I draw everything in red, and I draw everything in hairline. So we're going to go up here. It's going to ask us, just make sure the graphics is clicked. Go OK. Go to hairline. Go to red. Press OK. Now, the old way I used to move my ruler, so you can see it's 0 and 18's up here. The old way was to drag this corner to my corner, but you're not dead set. So what you can do is take your mouse, your cursor to the ruler, right click, ruler setup, and change your vertical to 18. Now you're 0, 0. And just kind of double check that. We're going to set this on 0. Bring a line. And what I'm doing, I'm grabbing the ruler, I'm just holding down the right or the left mouse. And then we're going to change this to 0. So you can see, and it's dead on. So you've got 0, 0. Now, most of them are already set, but I'm going to change my snap to snap to object. So make sure that's done. Or once again, these are my preferences. Because if I want those two boxes, let's zoom in here a little bit. Hit the Z key and you get your zoom tool. I want that node right there snapped to that node. If you didn't do that, it doesn't work. It doesn't snap to. And you don't know how close you are until you zoom in, and you're not close at all. So if you'll take that, let's move this box out of the way. See, I don't know if you can see it on the screen, but it changes to node. Bam, and it snaps to it. All right, I've got everything the way I want it. We're going to go up to Tools, Save as Default. So now we can close Corel Draw. Open it again. Press New. And we've got our page, our rulers right, our nudge tools right, our duplicates offset, distances right. So these are just a few quick setups. I hope it helped. Thank you for watching.